In this video, we'll look into how to sharpen an image and increase the depth and the clarity of the image. So let's get into it. So first, I'm going to make a copy of that layer using Ctrl plus J, make a duplicate layer and go to filter, convert for smart filters because we can edit after applying the filter. So then go to filter, sharpen and select Smart Sharpen. So now you have the Smart Sharpen dialog box. You can use the sliders to check your effect and the preview will be on and off as well. So try playing with the sliders. It depends on your picture and its quality, and try using it and how the effect is applied on the image. And you can change it afterwards also because we used a smart filter for the layer. You can reduce the noise as well with snow and click OK when you're done. So now you can see how the image has changed from before and after. You see the depth has increased, so we will have a more focus on the subject. So now I'll introduce you the Unsharp Mask. It's not like the name, it is going to sharpen the image. So first we will convert the copy layer to smart filters, then go to sharpen, Unsharp Mask. Then you can see the sliders as well. There is small difference in the sliders. Here we have threshold. Threshold can be used to reduce pixel from some areas of the picture. So you can see in real time how this effect is acted on the image. You can click and uncheck and check the preview bar to check before and after the image. When you're done, just click OK. So you have sharpened and you can see the changes by activating the Smart Sharpen layer.